how to download YouTube videos and see it even when you're not online. So first of all, open your YouTube, and you have to make sure that your YouTube is up to date. So make sure that you update your YouTube if it's not. So once you do that, just open the video that you want to save, and then right here you can see the share button, and click on copy link, and you can tap on this download option right here. It may vary from device to device, so once you do that, as you can see, the video now has been downloaded. So if I want to check my downloads, I just go back to the library, just tap on this U icon at the bottom right, and if you scroll down, you can see on the downloads there is one video. And if you turn off your connections, you can play this even when you're not online. That's the first method. And if you want to save your video from your channel to your gallery, what you can do is go to your channel, view your channel, and select the video that you want to save to your gallery, and just tap on these three dots right here. And if you see above the delete option, you can see save to device. You can just tap on it to save it to your gallery. And that's how you can save videos, download videos from YouTube. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.